Looking for the right vehicle? Check out the 2019 Rogue Sport. The Nissan Rogue Sport is a subcompact SUV that provides all the functionality. A smooth ride, lots of cargo room, and a roomy back seat is a recipe for a pleasant traveling experience. This vehicle has less than 100,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: rear spoiler, daytime running lights, front-wheel drive, steel wheels, four-wheel disc brakes, tires front all season, tires rear all season, wheel covers, remote trunk release, brake assist. Wouldn't you look great in this vehicle? Stop in today and see for yourself.